కాసేపట్లో షార్ నుంచి పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-49 వాహక నౌక నింగిలోకి దూసుకెళ్లనుంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
15 seconds, 12, 11 and 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ignition.
Plus 5 seconds.
You have just launched a majestic liftoff of PSLV C-49 carrying EOS-01 with 9 co-passenger satellites. And the Range Operations Director has confirmed the liftoff and that the performance of PS-1 is normal.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा प्रमोचन यान का लिफ्ट ऑफ बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से बढ़ता हुआ और ये गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में.
That is PS-1. Its total thrust is 4,800 kilonewtons. It uses solid propellant, HTPB based solid propellant, and alongside there are 2 strap-on boosters.
हम यहाँ स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं अपने अवलोकित पथ पर
the altitude and the
अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर का घोषणा है यहाँ कि स्ट्रैप ऑन सेपरेट हो चुका है.
Now you can see the flight events on your screen. The PS-1 has been flowing normally and its performance is normal. The total burn time is about 108 seconds and then it will be separated from the ongoing vehicle.
Stage separated, second stage engine started.
अभी
now you have
guidance initiated.
Plus 2 minutes.
आरओडी का अभी घोषणा हुई है. उन्होंने बताया फर्स्ट स्टेज सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ यान से पृथक हो चुका है और दूसरे चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है.
Stage performance normal.
now that the first stage action time is complete, it has been separated from the ongoing vehicle and we have seen the confirmation from the Range Operations Director that it has been separated, and you can see on your screens the flight regime of PS-2.
Payload weight separated.
And the payload fairing has been separated. And as you have already heard, the closed loop guidance has been initiated.
Second stage performance normal.
अभी आरओडी ने फिर से घोषणा की है कि ऊष्मा कवच का पृथक्करण हो चुका है. अब हमारा यान वायुमंडल से बाहर जा चुका है.
The PS-2 takes the launch vehicle up to 225 kilometers altitude and increases its relative velocity from 1.6 kilometers per second to 4.3 kilometers per second. Here you can see the time versus relative velocity plot and the flight events.
अभी आप एनिमेशन पे देख पा रहे हैं PS-2 का सामान्य निष्पादन. PS-2 का प्रज्वलन सामान्य होता हुआ. अब प्रमोचन यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है.
Now it is about 4 minutes after the launch and the PSLV stage 2 is performing and its performance is observed to be normal. It will continue to perform till 261 seconds, which amounts to 4 minutes 21 seconds.
अगली घटना PS-3 का
Stage ignited.
आरओडी ने अभी घोषणा की PS-2 का सफलतापूर्वक पृथक्करण और PS-3 का इग्निशन हो चुका है.
Stage performance normal.
You have just heard the range operations director giving a confirmation that the PS2 stage has been separated, the PS3 stage has been ignited, and its performance is normal.
PS3 का
Third
क्रियाकाल
stage performance normal.
PS3 का क्रियाकाल करीब 123 सेकंड का होगा। इस तरह यह अपना पूर्ण ज्वलन काल T+385 सेकंड्स पर पूर्ण करेगा। इसके बाद यह बंद होकर PS3, PS4 और सैटेलाइट एक यूनिट बनकर आगे की यात्रा करेंगे। इसे हम कोस्टिंग फेज कहते हैं।
The PS3 will burn for 123 seconds. It imparts 295 seconds of specific impulse. This stage is based on HTPB-based propellant in Kevlar motor case. The motor will provide thrust of 33.5 tons to the ongoing launch vehicle. Now we are 5 minutes 55 seconds after the launch time. The PS3 will burn till 6 minutes 25 seconds.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, हम प्रमोचन से 366 सेकंड की दूरी पर